Have you ever wondered why companies like Coca-Cola spending a whopping 4 billion annually on branding can justify such a cost? Or why Pepsi at 2.4 billion a year invest heavily in shaping their image? It's not just about catchy slogans or trendy logos. It's about a powerful tool called brand strategy. Brand strategy is more than just a fancy term. It's the secret weapon that transforms a product or service into a cultural phenomenon, a trusted friend, a brand that customers not only recognize but advocate for. In this video, we will dive into the world of brand strategy, helping you understand why it matters. We will start with understanding why is branding important, what is brand strategy, and how to develop it. Then we'll understand brand strategy elements, steps to create an effective brand strategy. So these are the things that we will be covering.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, SImplilearn has your back.
Alright, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's understand why is branding important. So brand strategy is essential because without it, brands can become diluted or easily forgotten. Even with great product, without a solid brand strategy, it's easy for consumers to move on rather than commit to repeat purchases. A strong brand fosters long-term connections with customers and enhances market recognition. An effective brand strategy improves loyalty, drives brand awareness, and builds recognition, which leads to repeat business. It attracts target customers and ensures that the team works towards the same goals, inspiring the word-of-mouth marketing and referrals. Consistency is maintained across all brand touchpoints, and guidelines for hiring and training are established. A robust brand strategy keeps contractors and agencies aligned with the brand's vision and can scale with business growth, ultimately building brand equity. This strategic approach helps create a memorable and trusted brand that stands out in the competitive market. Alright, so next up we have is what is brand strategy and how to develop it. So now let's understand it. So imagine you are opening a new restaurant. You know you have delicious food, but how do you make people choose you over the competition? That's where a brand strategy comes in. It's your secret recipe for building a successful brand. Here's the list. First, think long term. A brand strategy isn't a one-time thing. It's a long-term commitment. It's your roadmap to achieve specific goals like becoming the go-to spot for fresh and local Italian food. Something like this. Then there is know your audience. You wouldn't cook spicy food for a grandma gathering, right? A brand strategy involves understanding who your ideal customers are, whether young professionals seeking healthy options or whatsoever, and what they value, whether it's authenticity, convenience, etc. The next is what makes you special. This is where you define your brand's unique selling propositions, that is USP. What sets you apart from the pizzeria down the street? Maybe it's your farm-to-table ingredients or your lively open kitchen, etc. There can be many reasons for that. Then there is speak their language. Develop a consistent brand voice. The way you talk to your customers. Are you playful and casual or sophisticated and elegant? This voice should shine through in everything you do, from your website to your social media post. Then there is look the part. So your brand strategy goes beyond words. Think visuals, your logo, color scheme, even the font you use. These elements should all work together to create a memorable and recognizable brand identity. Then there is spread the word. Your brand strategy should include plans for promoting your brand and engaging with your customers. This could involve social media campaigns, loyalty programs, or even community events. So this was about the brand strategy. Now let's have a look at the brand strategy elements. Alright, now let's understand about brand strategy elements. To make your brand stand out and last, you need a solid foundation. That's your brand strategy. Here are some key elements that act as a building blocks for it. First we have is brand purpose. So brand purpose defines why a brand exists beyond making a profit. It encapsulates the brand's mission, values, and the impact it aims to have on the world. A clear brand purpose helps connect with the customers on a deeper level, fostering loyalty and trust. It serves as the foundation for all branding efforts, guiding decisions and ensuring that every action aligns with the brand's core values. Alright, the next element is market analysis and target audience. So, understanding the market and identifying the target audience are crucial elements of a brand strategy. Market analysis involves researching competitors, industry trends, and consumers' behavior to identify opportunities and threats. Knowing your target audience, who they are, what they need, and how they think allows you to tailor your brand message and offerings to meet their expectations. This ensures that your brand resonates with right people and stands out in the crowd marketplace. The next one is brand consistency. So this is the next element. So consistency in branding is key to building recognition and trust. It involves maintaining a uniform look and feel and voice across all brand touchpoints, from logos and color schemes to messaging your customer interactions. Consistent brand reinforces your brand identity, making it easier for customers to remember and relate to your brand. It also helps in establishing credibility and readability, as customers know what to expect from your brand every time they interact with. Alright, the next element now is flexibility. So while consistency is crucial, flexibility allows a brand to stay relevant and adapt to changing market conditions. A flexibility brand strategy can accommodate new trends, customer preferences, and unforeseen challenges without losing its core identity. This adaptability ensures that the brand remains fresh and engaging, capable of evolving with the times while still delivering on its promises. This adaptability ensures that the brand remains fresh and engaging, capable of evolving with the times while still delivering on its promises. Balancing consistency with flexibility helps a brand navigate through the dynamic landscape of modern businesses. Alright, now let's understand the interesting part, which is steps to create an effective brand strategy. So, creating an effective brand strategy involves several key steps that helps establish a strong and memorable brand presence. Here are essential steps to guide you through this process. First one is write a compelling brand story. Crafting a compelling brand story is the first step in creating an effective brand strategy. Your brand story should narrate the journey of your brand, its mission and its values. It should connect emotionally with your audience, explaining why your brand exists and why it aims to make a difference. A well-told brand story builds a deeper connection with customers, making your brand more relatable and memorable. Alright, next one is brand voice. So, your brand voice is the tone and the style in which you communicate with your audience. It reflects your brand's personality and should be consistent across all the platforms, from social media to customer service interactions. Finding your brand voice involves understanding your audience and choosing a communication style that resonates with them. Whether it's professional, casual, or playful, a consistent brand voice helps in building recognition and trust. Alright, next one is create your brand identity design. So, brand identity design involves the visual elements that represents your brand, such as your logo, color palette, typography, and overall aesthetics. This design should reflect your brand values and appeal to your target audience. Investing in a cohesive and professional brand identity design ensures that your brand is instantly recognizable and leaves a lasting impression. Then there is stick to your brand values. Your brand values are the principles that guide your brand's actions and decisions. Sticking to these values is crucial for maintaining integrity and building trust with your customers. Clearly define your brand values and ensure that they are reflected in every aspect of your business, from your product development to customer service. Consistently living by your brand values helps in fostering loyalty and differentiates your brand from competitors. So next one is define your brand vibe. The brand vibe is the overall feeling or atmosphere that your brand conveys. It's the emotional experience your customers have when interacting with your brand. Define your brand vibe by considering the emotions and impressions you want to evoke in your audience. Whether it's the modern, innovative, or nostalgic and comforting, a well-defined brand vibe creates a consistent and engaging experience for your customers, enhancing their connection to your brand. So these were some of the steps to create an effective brand strategy. A well-executed brand strategy not only helps in attracting and retaining customers, but also ensures your brand remains relevant, and adaptable in a changing marketplace. It's an ongoing process that requires dedication and creativity, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Thank you for joining us on this journey to learn about brand strategy. Now go out there and make your brand unforgettable. Alright guys, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the SImplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.